Today we are going to discuss about the select statement in SQL. Basically, the select statement is used to select data from the database or from the tables. How? You know very well about it because I have already discussed in my previous lecture, but now I am defining deeply. So I am saying I have show database. So as you can see, I have these databases. Make sure we are using the university database. I am saying show tables, so it will show you all the tables in the university database. So as you can see, we have only one table, so that's why it's showing one table. If you have multiple tables in this database, it will show you the multiple tables. Now I am saying I can select all the records. I want to show all the records. I am saying that select static from which table? Students. Control enter. So as you can see, it's showing us 4 records in the students tables. Static means I am saying show me all the records in this table. It's like English. You are saying that select static from students. That means you are saying select all the record from students table. Okay. But if you want to show or if you want to view only the S name, so how can you get only the S name column? I'm saying here, I'm saying S underscore name, your column name goes here. Now from students, control enter. So as you can see, it's only showing you the S name. If you are saying that you want to show the S name also with SID, so with comma separate, use another column SID. So as you can see, control enter. So as you can see, it's showing you the SID. Use the SID, S name, control enter. So as you can see, first it's showing you the first column. So that's why you are using the first column here, and the second column here. If you want to show the city, you can also specify the another column by separating the comma. Control enter to execute your query. So you can see it's showing you also the city. So it's totally depend upon you how you need and how you are creating. This is the select. If you are saying, oh please show me all the columns, so use the static, control enter to execute your query. So you can see it's showing you all the columns. If you are using the column which is not available in the table, control enter, so it will give you the error. So it's saying unknown column XXX in field list because XXX column is not available in this table. So that's why it's giving you the error. So it's totally depend upon you. So this is the select statement to selecting all the records from a particular table. For suppose if you have another table, so how can you use the table select static? That means you are saying all the records or all the columns from your XYZ tables. Okay. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.